What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. So Samsung officially announced the Galaxy F62, which is coming with a 7000 mAh of a battery capacity and a flagship level processor inside in an affordable price tag. Obviously, I am really much impressed with the capacity of a battery inside, and it's going to be the second ever device from Samsung that is coming with such a massive 7000 mAh of battery capacity. The previous device was Samsung Galaxy M51. Not just the battery capacity, the spec sheet is going to be absolutely amazing. It's coming with a 6.7 inch of Super AMOLED display, which is coming with a full HD plus resolution. Unfortunately, it is not coming with a 90 or 120 Hz of refresh rate, just because this is going to be a device which is coming in such a low price tag, so there are some corners that has been cut out. Similarly, the in-display fingerprint scanner is not going to be seen on the front side. Rather than that, it is going to be implemented on the side power button. With that being said, the front is coming with a slim bezels on all four corners of the device, and it is also coming with a punch hole selfie camera that is going to be of 32 megapixel. On the back, well, we have a pattern design that is going to be looking absolutely amazing. It's going to be plasticky on the back side, and with that, it is also coming with a square camera bump on the back side with the quad camera setup inside. The main camera sensor is going to be 64 megapixel and it's going to be looking gorgeous. The other camera is going to be 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel of a depth sensor and a 5 megapixel of macro shooter. And along with that, we also see an LED flashlight present on the body of the Galaxy F62 device. Internally, the device is looking absolutely amazing just because it is coming with a flagship level Exynos 9825 chipset inside, which is based on 7nm architecture. It's the same chipset that has been used in the Galaxy Note 10 lineup, and its performance is absolutely gorgeous. All the gaming and heavy tasks can be performed by this device really easy. Also, it is coming with two different variants with a 6 gigs or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage that is also going to be expandable with a micro SD card, which is also rare in some of the flagship level devices from Samsung. Obviously, the star of the show is going to be the massive 7000 mAh of a battery capacity, which is going to be perform absolutely amazing, and maybe we see that device to be running this device on the normal use for 3 or 4 days. And also, there is one more surprise in the Galaxy F62 that it is going to be coming with a 25 watt of fast charging support inside, and boy, they are also giving you the charger inside the box, which is going to be absolutely amazing because the flagship level devices are not coming with any kind of a charger inside, but their prices are so much high. And talking about the prices, the Galaxy F62 is coming with two different variants with a price tag of $330 for 6 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage, whereas the 8 gigs and 128 gigs is going to be coming with a $358, and the pre-order for the device are open today. And unfortunately, this device is going to be only available in India, and nothing has been confirmed yet from Samsung that whether this device is going to be available worldwide or not. So overall, I think that this device is looking absolutely amazing in terms of its battery and spec sheet, but there are some concerns that this device is going to be one of the heaviest device, which I think is gonna be. Anyhow, these are my thoughts and opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Galaxy F62 and what are your opinion? Thanks for watching this video. Peace.